Hello friends, let's solve this. So our question is square root of 1 minus x plus square root of 3 plus x is equal to 2. First we will move this part to right hand side. So it will be 1 minus x is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 plus x. Now we will square both the sides. So this square and square root get cancelled out. And here we will follow this identity where a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here we have 1 minus x is equal to 2 square plus square root of 3 plus x whole square minus 2 times square root of 3 plus x. So it will be 1 minus x is equal to 4 plus this square and square root get cancelled out. So we have 3 plus x minus 4 times square root of 3 plus x. Now we will isolate this part at one side. So we have 1 minus x minus 4 minus 3 minus x is equal to minus 4 times square root of 3 plus x. Now here we have minus x will be minus 2x plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 will be minus 6 is equal to minus 4 times square root of 3 plus x. Now here we can factor out minus 2. So it will be minus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to minus 4 times 3 plus x. Now we will divide with minus 2 both the sides. So these 2 get cancelled out and here 2 2s are 4. So now we have x plus 3 is equal to 2 times square root of 3 plus x. Now we need to get rid of this square root. For that we have to square both sides. And here we will use this identity where a plus b whole square, then it will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in the next step we have x square plus 3 square plus 2 times x times 3 is equal to, now this square belongs to 2 and also belongs to this part. So 2 square is 4 times this square and square root get cancelled out. So we have 3 plus x. Now here we have x square plus 9 plus 6x. And let's plug in 4 into the bracket. So we have 12 plus 4x. Now let's move this part to left hand side. So it will be x square plus 9 plus 6x minus 12 minus 4x is equal to 0. Now in the next step we have x square plus 6x minus 4x is plus 2x. And here we have 9 and here minus 12 will be minus 3 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation here and we can write it like x square plus 3x minus x in place of this 2x. And here we have minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can factor out x from here, x plus 3, and we can factor out minus 1 from here. So here we have x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it will be x plus 3 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have two possibilities here, x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 1. So we have two values of x. Now let's check our answer. First we will put x is equal to minus 3 and our given equation is let's put x is equal to minus 3. So it will be square root of 1 minus minus 3 plus square root of 3 minus 3 is equal to 2. So here we have square root of 4 plus square root of 0 is equal to 2. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. So x is equal to minus 3 is the correct answer. Now let's put x is equal to 1. So here we have square root of 1 minus 1 plus square root of 3 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 will be 0 plus square root of 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 3 are the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We will meet in the next one. Bye bye.